This video explains how to complete the online chapter quizzes. Step 1 is to read the assigned chapter, in this case the introduction. You can access the introduction by clicking here. It'll take you to the introduction or to your textbook, and you can locate the introduction. Here is the PowerPoint slides to the introduction. You should read those. You can refer to the Help with Chapter Quizzes folder to get help on how to take notes while you're reading, finding the main idea, so on and so forth. These will help you with your quiz. And then when you're ready to take your quiz, you'll click here and begin. But before you do that, you should make sure that you have the knowledge you have unlimited time to complete the quiz, that you should have a reliable device with reliable internet before you begin the quiz. Remember that you only get one attempt. And be sure to proofread your extended responses carefully, and then you will click on the Save and Submit button when you are finished. So the quiz consists of 10 questions, multiple choice, matching, or true and false, and one extended response question. So I have given you an example of the extended response question. So this is the quiz. I've already taken the quiz. Don't pay any attention to anything that you saw up there because these questions were totally randomly answered. I want to focus on the last question, which is the extended response, which you will find at the end of each quiz. And so first of all, read the directions. And so after reading this chapter, reflect on how the content relates to you, your education, your personal life, and your future career. A general guideline for answering these questions is to try to write at least one paragraph per question. And so note that there are 3 questions here, so you would expect to write at least 3 paragraphs. Keep in mind a solid paragraph could be anywhere from 3 to 5 sentences, could be more, could be less. I have some tips on you for how to get started on that and how to make sure that your answers are clear and succinct for your instructor. I've opened up a Word document, although you can use pen, pencil, and paper to do this. I simply copied over the questions to a Word document and jotted down some notes, some things that I might say. Note that I just used one example and put random things for the next. But I would continue writing notes under each question so that when you're ready to answer the question, which you'll do here, you'll have your responses outlined and ready to go. Not only will that save you some time, it will make sure that your answers are very clear. Note that this is a 20-point question, as all extended responses are, so they're a significant portion of your quiz. When you're ready to type your response, you'll do that in this box here, and then you'll hit Save and Submit. That is how you complete the extended response and the chapter quizzes, the online chapter quizzes.